Hi everyone, today's widget is the row and column widget. Let's understand the row and column widget. Row and column are the two most important and powerful widgets in the Flutter. Column widget align the children vertically. I will show you in the application. First I will show you column widget. This red box are the column widget. In the column widget, first element is the icon plus the text widget. Second widget is the row widget. In the row widget, first element is the icon. Second element is the text widget. Third element is also text widget. Third element of the column widget is also row widget. In the row widget, first element is the icon, second is text and third is also text. Fourth element of the column widget is the image widget. Fifth element of the column widget is the drop down widget. And sixth element of the column widget is the raise button. This is the drop down menu item and this is the raise button. You can show the snack bar widget also. All the details are available in the Word file and Word file available in the description box. In the next video, I will create the first, second and the third element of the column widget. This is the icon plus text plus row plus expanded widget. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.